Hi, this is Randy Ripke, the owner of Accurate Messages and the developer of TaskBuilder Cloud. This video has a few tips and tricks I learned thanks to Down at Startel. Hopefully you won't have to go through what I went through to learn these things. I try to keep things simple, so when my agents log in, they click on an icon for the Cisco AnyConnect and plug in their password. And then I just have shortcuts on my desktop for FlexAI and for my managers for the SAC, so they can get logged in as quick and simple. All my agents are remote, so I try to keep it easy for them because they're not in the office for me to help out. Notice the password prompt is not savable here. That's one of the big things that we're going to cover in this video. You can play this back without my audio narration, by the way. It'll probably make a lot more sense. Now, what led up to all of this was, with my office that we use for training, one of my agents accidentally saved their login credentials. And when that happened, the next agent to sit in that position accidentally connected using the other agent's saved credentials and kicked that person off. And boy, it was quite a briefing process to try to figure out what was going on and who was kicking out who and why and that kind of stuff. So hopefully the information in this video will help you, prevent this from happening to you. These are things your IT people may already be doing, but you really don't need to have an IT person to do it. These steps, if you just follow them carefully, are all things that mere mortals can do. Now, the first thing you want to do is get rid of any saved passwords. And there's a command you can type in. I'll show you a shortcut method for this later, but what you're looking for are any saved passwords for the RD Farm, Pinnacle Freedom servers, and those you want to remove. I wouldn't remove anything else because your IT people may need some of those saved credentials for other reasons or other applications that are running in the background. So be careful about which ones you delete. I want to delete the RD Farm, Pinnacle Freedom server. This is what gets you in trouble. And most of my agents know not to click that, but sometimes Microsoft tries to help and it saves it anyway. So following this method here, just click on the Windows button and follow these directions I have outlined here, and you can turn off that feature that saves the password. It takes a little navigating to get to it. And here it is. Just enable that feature, and that will make the save password prompt go away. Now, if you want to make a shortcut for that process to delete the saved passwords, it's very easy to do. And you can give it a nice name so you can remember it and use it next time. These shortcuts I can't email, unfortunately, because they include an exe. But once you create them, you can copy them across your network real easy and just leave it on the machine. That way, if you need to check for some reason to make sure there are no saved passwords, you'll have the shortcut available to you there. Now, I really don't use the RD Farm for anything. I use it initially to create the RDP files for the agent's logins, and I copy them into a common folder that I have set up on drive C on all my machines. So each machine has the originals of the RDPs and some other files. I then make shortcuts using the icons that the agents are familiar with for SAC and for FlexAI. And as I'm pointing out here, it's probably a dozen different ways of doing this. I hope this helped you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to the TaskBuilder channel. And if I can help you in any way, please give me a call or shoot me an email. Thank you. Have a nice day.